Like a real nice red. Wait, hold up. There we go. Jeez! Got some. Stuck. See you, dude. What's going on, everyone? So today we're gonna try and do a little bit of kayak fishing in the rain, and it's very low tide right now. I think it's like a negative 0.4, and all these fish kind of get funneled into these deeper pockets within these mangrove islands. Redfish, trout, maybe some snook, black drum, sheep's head, jacks. There really could be anything in there, so we're gonna see how that goes. And obviously, you guys are probably seeing I'm wearing this new shirt right here. I've kind of product tested it. Got some long sleeves coming soon. Don't know exactly when they're gonna be coming out, but if you guys are part of the email list on seeyoudo.com, you guys will be notified first. It's a limited quantity right now. So if you're not signed up already, you should sign up and you guys get notified first when that happens. But we're gonna get everything set up. JC's over there just trying to avoid the rain as it's really coming down. And we're gonna get set up and get out there. Good. Thank you, sir.
I wish you the best of luck.
You as well.
Thanks.
Catch some fish.
First one to catch a slam wins.
Ooh, okay. What do you win?
Chick-fil-A.
Ooh, okay. All right, let's get situated here. I got my Penn Battle 3 2500. Got 10-pound braid on there. And I'm using my St. Croix Avid Inshore 7-foot light action rod, using a about 3.5-4 foot section of 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, and got a 1.0 circle hook right here with a little split shot a couple inches above that. I'm taking one of these live shrimp. I'm just going to hook them back here by the tail, just like that. Kind of hide the hook back there in the tail, and we're going to cast it out here in this deeper pocket that's right in front of us at this very low part of the tide. And all these fish that are back up in this area kind of get funneled here at the low part of the tide. So it should be kind of like shooting fish in the barrel. Oh. Yeah, so I'm sorry going with it. How deep is it right here again? Probably like 6, 7 feet. And the other spots we were literally hitting the bottom with our kayaks. Got one. Got something. Little baby black drum. Hey, dude. First fish of the day. It's a little baby black drum. First species. This could be a multi-species day. Little guy right there. See you, dude. This type of fishing is so much fun on these lighter setups where honestly they don't really have too much to break you off on. Like if you do hook a better fish, you can just let them run here. I love this because of how just simple it is.
So simple.
Just a shrimp, split shot, throwing it in the deeper little pool. What you got over there?
I don't know. Oh, it's a red.
Is it a red?
Yeah, it's a redfish.
Good one?
Decent. Like probably slot.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I lost my split shot again? What the heck? Just not staying on today.
You're just running through those split shots.
Yeah, really.
There we go. There we go.
Uh-oh. Trouty.
I think it is a trout. A good one.
Trout runs you now, huh?
Oh yeah, it is a good trout. Just gotta watch for the bull sharks.
Yeah, really. A little bit of wind today, so I apologize.
Jace!
Oh my god, Brent just almost died.
That was a shark!
Is that a black tip?
I don't know!
You almost died.
That was like a 3-foot shark of some kind.
That on camera?
Yeah.
That was recorded.
Yeah, that scared the crap out of me.
Oh my god.
It looked like a bull.
It did look like a bull, didn't it?
It looked like a little bull just came up and spun. Jeez!
Oh my god.
My hand's wet from the bait bucket. Well, that's a good little trout right there. So now I got a black drum and a trout. Probably the keeper size, but we're not gonna keep anything today. We're gonna let this guy go. See you, dude. So that's the first part of the slam that I needed. Now I just need a redfish and a snook. Could have measured him for a slam, but it was probably like a 16-inch trout. How big of a shrimp did you get that red on?
Like a medium, like a good size.
Medium large.
Like a thick boy.
Okay. Oh, my shrimp's already in half.
Or if you hook that one. Oh, okay.
What do I got? This is on half a shrimp. Oh. Oh, okay.
I had a fish.
I'm guessing sheep. It's kind of fine like a sheep. Ah, black drum.
Sir.
Another little baby black drum. Not quite the bridge beast, but there are some better ones in here. That's just a little guy. Oh, get the hook out of him right quick. Cute little guy. See you, dude. I think a snook or something just tried to blow up on some bait over there, and then that bird went over.
Really?
Yeah.
That's deep right there. You know what we did after the tide came in a little bit yesterday?
What?
Dude, we were just like knocking out trout left and right.
Really? There we go.
Oh. Oh.
That's a better fish.
Oh.
What are you gonna be? What are you gonna be? Come on over here. I'm guessing red.
It's like a red?
Yeah. I didn't realize my drag was so tight. Come on.
Ooh.
Come on over here. It was a nice red.
Nice.
How you doing? Like a real nice red.
Oh my God.
Wait, hold up.
Wait, why is that way bigger than I thought it was?
Wait, hold up.
That's actually a good fish.
Hold up.
Really good red, dude.
Hold up.
Oh my God.
Come on.
That's sick.
Come on over here. Yeah, my drag was way tighter than I thought it was, so when I...
Like, you kind of beasted that.
Yeah. Come on.
Wow, dude.
Come on over here. You're not done?
Yeah, you kind of worked that way.
A little bit.
Now he's just playing with you.
No, he's just bulldogging me. Oh! Got him.
Got him? Dude, that's sick.
Not a bad redfish right there. Drag was way tighter than I thought it was. Kind of swallowed it, so let me get the pliers. There we go, hook out. It's a nice redfish right there. He's got like no spot on this side.
He's bare on that side.
He's bare and he's got one on the other. Get a quick measurement on him just so we know.
Yeah, that's part 2 of your slam.
That is part 2 of my slam already. Just had to outweight the rain.
That is true.
I don't know if he's gonna be longer than 24 right there. And he is a little bit longer than 24. Probably like half an inch over, probably like 24 and a half. That is a good red right there. I will take that. See you, dude.
That's aggressive. That's really aggressive.
I'll take that.
Nice fish, dude.
Thank you. I'm gonna try casting a tanker up shallow and see if I get a snook.
Shot right with a shrimp.
Like out in the middle?
By the opening.
Oh, really?
Came through. He was literally just trolling it behind his kayak.
Got some. Snook.
You got him?
Oh, he popped off.
No, dude.
I called that too.
Mr. Chick-fil-A.
I called that too.
Oh my God. You could have had Chick-fil-A.
I know.
Because you know trout will bite it, obviously.
Oh, yeah.
Eat it. I caught a ton on Gulf.
There we go. Something. I'm guessing Lil Drum. Lil Red.
Oh,
Little baby red. Oh, I just got splashed right in the eye. He's like half the size of the one I caught before.
Yeah, really.
Maybe not even that. Cute little guy. See you, dude.
I'm gonna go get a snag real quick.
You got a lure on?
I may or may not switch to view account.
Yeah, that's Snook City.
I don't know what that is.
Fish on!
Got him?
I don't know what this is.
That looks bad.
Jack.
Okay.
Little baby Jack.
That could be worse.
Yeah. Little baby Jack. He's so yellow. He's been back up in here for a while. Add that to the list of species. It's a little baby guy, but there are definitely some bigger ones in here. Little guy right there. See you, dude.
Like sturgeon.
Yeah. There we go.
Hey Brent, is that a cat?
I don't think this is a catfish.
Sure?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good red or a black drum.
I think it's a jack.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's a jack that I missed before. Yeah, 100% a jack.
Is it on bottom?
Yeah. I got 100% a jack. It's probably the one that chased it in before.
Oh yeah. Oh, Sarah's missed one too. I gotta put a live one on.
Come on. Come on. It's kind of coming over to you guys.
No, you're good. I'm not even out there.
Yeah, how big's this jack about to be?
Yeah, really. Oh, they're chasing yours. Yeah, there's jack everywhere.
Yeah.
It's because the tide's not really low.
Come on. Hey, I'll take jack. Jack are fun.
Oh, the rat's on black, yeah.
Come on. This guy's kicking my butt. You getting chased by a bull shark? What's happening?
Oh my gosh, imagine that bull shark comes out of nowhere.
Where's my net? Fun size jack right there. Probably 3-4 pounds. Give him the good old jack release. No, that was more of like a side plop.
It worked. You got enough shrimp still?
But yeah, I still got over a dozen. There we go.
Oh.
I did loosen my drag.
That looks heavy.
Yeah, it's not tiny.
That looks like it's got some mass.
It's probably another red.
Or a black drum.
A drum of some flavor. What are you? I still haven't. There's a bigger black drum. Getting a little bit better. Oh! Come on, come over here. He's not even that much bigger.
He's like similar size.
Yeah, like a couple inches bigger.
They throw down.
They really do. Oh no, he's bigger.
He's getting some.
Pretty little black drum right there. He's drumming in my hands. See you, dude.